Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add an account recovery phone number in Best Buy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. Next thing I'd like you to know is that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to add an account recovery phone number. From this home page, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you have a couple tabs. Hi, add your name, recently viewed, other status, and saved items. So click on this hi with your profile name. Here you have account purchases, products, payment method, plans and subscriptions, member offers, all the way down to close. But then the top thing you're going to find in here is add recovery phone number. In case you ever need to recover your accounts, we'll send you a text. So please add your phone number. Now click on this add your phone number hyperlink, and it's going to take you to a window where you can now add your recovery phone number. It's for just tightening security reasons. So here it says when you add your mobile number below and continue, we'll text you an enrollment code to enter on the next page. So over here, enter your recovery phone number, and once you do that, go ahead and click on continue. Once you click on continue, they're going to text you an enrollment code in your phone using that phone number. Once you do that, on the next page you're going to have to enter the enrollment code, and once you do that, go ahead and click on continue. Once you click on continue, that's going to be it. You will now be able to successfully add your recovery phone number, that's account recovery phone number, to your Best Buy. So remember, it's just for tightened security, just like adding 2 layers of security to your account, more like two-step verification whatsoever. All right, so just follow the process. Add your recovery phone number, click on continue, check your phone for the enrollment code. They're going to text you and enter it in the next page. Once you do that, that's just going to be it. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.